Hey there, fellow online hustlers. Today is not just any day. It's a celebration. We're making a significant milestone. The special 6-month anniversary launch of BLOX 2.0. What's BLOX 2.0, you ask? It's not just a system, it's a game changer. BLOX 2.0 is the leader pitch system that empowers you to steer prospects to your flip pages, allowing you to rake in affiliate commissions from other people's products, all without the hassle of directly promoting those products yourself. Now, if you're serious about making that extra cash online, BLOX 2.0 is your golden ticket. This is not your run-of-the-mill solution. This is the secret sauce you've been waiting for. Picture this. Today is your chance to dive deep into the BLOX software and system. It's not just about hearing about it. It's about seeing it in action. And trust me, you want to be in the know about how this incredible tool can transform your online affiliate game. Have you ever dreamt of earning consistent affiliate commissions? Well, consider this your reality check. BLOX 2.0 is here to show you how it's done step by step. It's not just an opportunity, it's a roadmap to online success. So what are you waiting for? Join me in celebrating the 6-month anniversary launch of BLOX 2.0. This is your exclusive invitation to witness the magic live, understand how it works, and discover how it can transform your affiliate marketing journey. So, are you ready to unlock your online potential and start earning those consistent affiliate commissions? Just click the link below this video to be part of the trend celebration. Because trust me, you don't want to miss out on what BLOX 2.0 has in store for you. Hey everybody, Rian Nielsen here. We are on my bonus page, and for BLOX 2.0 anniversary launch, I wanted to make this one special. Wanted to give you some bonuses that I didn't offer last time that I think you're going to really enjoy. All the details about this are in here on this bonus page. All you have to do is click the link in the description below this video to take you directly here. And without further ado, here are the bonuses that we have in store for you if you decide to go ahead and get BLOX 2.0 during this anniversary launch, which expires on December 4th. Bonus number 1, effortless video editing training course. Bonus number 2, the ultimate Facebook traffic trick. These are my favorite traffic magnets, and it'll help you get free targeted traffic on Facebook. Bonus number 3 is using free software to make unlimited AI videos. Bonus number 4 is the infamous, very popular desktop vertical video where you can make YouTube Shorts vertical videos on your desktop or laptop. You don't have to use your iPhone to do that using this software. Amazing. And then lastly, but most importantly, the vendor bonuses. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Mark Bishop, and he's going to show you the free introduction system so that you can use that in your marketing efforts of BLOX 2.0 to share that and to maximize your profits.
BLOX free instruction system is included throughout our initial launch period as a free bonus, but it will be removed once the launch ends. So rather than being another one of those pointless bonuses which you don't really need and which offer little to no additional value, the free instruction system, this bonus, is a working BLOX system which we created with complete beginners in mind. So if you are a beginner, pay close attention to this, because like our split pitch system, we created this one for you, and you can start using it on this very day, because all you need to do is give away free instructions, and we'll show you how to do that. And like everything in BLOX, we've also tested, proven and used this system ourselves. So in this video, we're going to show you the $273.48 we made using this system as part of a campaign targeting just one product, as well as corroborated proof of the total campaign results. The example that we're going to show you in this video is targeting a product called untapped traffic. Now we use two separate BLOX systems to target untapped traffic. But in this video, I'll simply tell you about the free instruction method, which is what we're giving away with our bonus. So if I click here, you'll be able to see the TIDs. TID means tracking ID. So you can see that the two systems there, and this is the one that we're interested in here, BLOX free instructions. 22 sales, $273.48, and this was achieved in 2 days. And then over a 7-day period, which was the length of time that we ran the campaign targeting untapped traffic, you can see that we made a total of $656.92, or $292.64 from the free instruction system. And now, so we can corroborate those results as being fact, this is the public Facebook post we made relating to that campaign. So you can see that we've tagged Steve, who is the owner of this product. We've made a video explaining the results, and you can see here that Steve has liked this post, which should give you some indication that what we're showing you here is correct. So if you are a beginner, this is another block system designed and created for you. Anyone can use it. We use it ourselves, as you've just seen, but we created it especially for beginners because all anybody needs to do is follow the instructions and then give away the free instructions. And just give them away for free. And you can genuinely do this today. And lastly, when we say that this is a limited special offer, we actually mean it. The free instruction system, this bonus, will become a paid option in the near future. So we will be removing this bonus shortly after the initial launch of BLOX ends. So if you order BLOX now, we'll send it to you.
So now you have an idea of how the free introduction system works. And before we go to the next video, I wanted to go ahead and let you know, again, by clicking the link in the description below this video, take you directly here to the bonus page. Click on any of these blue buttons, it'll take you directly to the sales page, where you can pick up your copy of BLOX 2.0. And there's also other options of order bumps and one-time offers, upsells, and things like that. You can check those out for yourself. But in the meantime, know that once you decide to get BLOX 2.0, you'll get an email message from Warrior Plus, and they'll thank you for your purchase. You'll have a link to access your purchase here with the green button, and then a link to access your bonuses for me with the blue button. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review of BLOX 2.0. I've had this product for over 6 months now, and I've done well with it, very well with it. This is by far the best product I've ever promoted and reviewed on Warrior Plus, just so you know. If you like what you see here and you want to see more, please click like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming digital product reviews, digital software reviews, and information products and trainings in the future. Thanks so much, and I'm turning it over to Mark now for the ready-made systems. Bye for now.
I'm making this video because I get asked time and time again how the ready-made systems, so the BLOX ready-made systems actually work, what they include, how easy they are to use, and one of the questions I also get asked is what can you use them to promote? Now, at the moment, the BLOX ready-made systems are used just to promote MMO products, so that's make money online, internet marketing. It can be software, it can be information products, but it is just MMO at the moment. Now what I've done is I've taken an extract from one of our BLOX webinars and just added it onto this video, and that will explain pretty much exactly how the RMS systems work. Now bear in mind, all of the RMS systems that we provide our customers with are tested and used by ourselves. Each one has already made money, so it's just a case of using what's there. So you can rebrand it, or you can use it with the default branding if you prefer. So anyway, rest of this video, it's about 5 or 6 minutes long. It will show you how the RMS systems work. Thanks for watching. The first thing to note is each ready-made system in BLOX is 100% complete. Everything is done for you, and we do mean everything. Using any of our ready-made systems will take you literally minutes, even if you are a complete beginner. Remember the example I mentioned which made $671.33 in 3 days? Well, that took John a total of 25 minutes to do using BLOX RMS for the first time. In this example, John used our scope ready-made system, and you can use that too. You can use it as it is, or you can rebrand the whole thing, the whole system, in literally seconds. Let me show you how. So number one, the first step is to choose a system to use. So once you've chosen a system to use, you'll see the wizard. Now you can choose to rebrand the whole thing, as I've already mentioned, or you can choose not to. So you can use the default branding. In this case, it would be Switch. And then all you would need to do is add in your autoresponder list and your flip page details. I'll show you this in just a moment, but I want to show you how quickly you can actually rebrand the whole thing. So first step is to show you what this system looks like now. I'll just show you the access page. So you can see the access page here has the branding. So if I take you back, click here, this opens up the pop-up. So I'm going to change this name to Spike, which I've done before on case studies, as you can see. So Spike, and then all I need to do is drop in a couple of logos. So you can see that I've got some here already made up. One for a light background, that one goes on here, and one for the dark background, that one goes on there, and that's it. So then if I click save, the whole system is now changed to reflect my input. So if you remember, I've called it Spike, 2 logos, and if I click here and just refresh this page, you can see that the branding changes instantly. Now this is the same throughout the whole system. That's all you need to do in order to change this and make it look different. So you can make it unique to you in just a couple of clicks. So let me take you through that again. In order to use one of the ready-made systems, you simply click one of the buttons. You can use the system with the default branding, in which case you would only need to use steps 2 and 3, or you can change the whole thing by simply renaming and adding in 2 logos. So once you do that, once you've added your new name, 2 logos, and click save, the whole system changes instantly. And those changes take effect throughout the whole system. Everything is done automatically for you. And this includes all of the links, all of the pitch systems, everything changes and everything is specific to you. So you need to add your autoresponder list. This allows you to collect the prospect's email details as you make income from the BLOX system. So you simply choose which list you want to use, click save, and then the flip page is where you put the details of the product that you want to target and make money from. So you can put any product here, so you would put the name of the product here, you would put the price of the product here, and you would put your affiliate link there. Click save, and that's it. Your system is now set up and ready to go. And it really is as simple as I've just shown you. All of your links are created. For example, if I grab this link here, you can see the account creation page. It has the branding that we've just added. As you can see, all of the pitch systems are created for you, and each one is already linked and formatted. So it's all ready to use within minutes. So that should give you an indication of how easy our systems are to use. Now let me tell you the really good bit. So the systems we give our customers access to are no ordinary ready-made systems. These are our ready-made systems, the same ones we've used to make thousands of dollars, and I can show you proof of this. Let me show you the upgrade page. So like the main BLOX page, on the upgrade page for BLOX RMS we include results and actual proof. So you can see here, for example, using the Switch BLOX ready-made system, we made a total of $1,822.21 on 2 occasions. So you can see 2 tracking IDs here. Both are listed, and if you click the button, a video will open and you can see inside of our account and you can see those actual results. And we've done this all the way through the upgrade page. Another example here, again with a pop-up video. Another one here, again with a pop-up video. So everything we show you on here and every ready-made system we give you access to has already been used, it's already been tweaked, tested and proven. We've already made money with each of the systems we give our customers access to.